Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited to show you a budget-friendly VTuber setup workflow using VRoid Studio and Unreal Engine 5.6. In terms of hardware, you don't need much, just a computer that can run Unreal Engine and a simple RGB webcam. The webcam will handle real-time face motion capture, so you can bring your character to life without expensive gear. Alright, before we dive in, let's quickly go over what we will cover today. We will start in VRoid Studio using one of the sample characters. Then we will bring that avatar into Unreal Engine using the VRM4U plugin. After that, we will set up a control rig for the character. Next, I will show you how to retarget free animation from Fab to your character. And finally, we will set up real-time motion capture with the webcam. By the end of this tutorial, you will have a complete VTuber setup that's free, fun, and ready to go live. So let's jump in and get started. In this first step, we are going to create your VTuber avatar using VRoid Studio, a totally free and beginner-friendly software made just for anime-style 3D character. You don't need any 3D modeling experience. VRoid makes it super easy with slider and presets. Let's get started. First, head over to VRoid.com and download VRoid Studio. You will find the link in the video description. Once it's installed, open up the program. When you launch the app, you will see some sample character ready to go. For this tutorial, we'll pick one of the sample avatar as our base. You can fully customize the character later, change the hairstyle, eye shape, clothes, colors, whatever you like. But for now, we will keep things simple and stick with the sample look. Now let's export this character as a .vrm file, which is the format we will need later to import into Unreal Engine. First, go to the Camera Exporter tab. It's in the top right corner. Click Export as VRM. A window will pop up. You will be asked to enter a few details like character names, author names, license information. Just leave it as default. Once you're done, just hit OK. Then just save your VRM file to a folder on your desktop or whatever destination you want. Click on Save. Awesome, so we just create our avatar. Step 2. Set up Unreal Engine and import VRoid avatar. So in this step, we'll set up Unreal Engine and bring your VRoid avatar into the project using the VRM4U plugin. It's a free open source plugin on GitHub. So let's do this. First, open Unreal Engine 5.6 and create a new project. You can use either the blank or third-person template. And just give a name like VTuber project or something. Now we need to go to the GitHub page to download the plugin. And I will have the plugin link below. So I'm using Unreal Engine 5.6 here. So grab the version that's 5.6. Once the plugin is downloaded, unzip the file and we can open our Unreal Engine project folder and create a new folder inside called plugins. Then copy the entire VRM for you folder from the zip to this plugin folder. And we can restart our project. Once the project restarts, go to Edit, Plugins, and search for VRM for you. Just make sure it's enabled. If it's not, just enable it and then restart. Next, we're gonna import our VRM avatar. So go back to the content browser and right click and create a folder called demo or something, whatever. Now drag your .vrm file into this folder. So a window will pop up with the VRM import options. Here I just leave everything as the default setting and click OK. So once everything imported, you will see your skeleton mesh, materials, rig asset, and animation ready to go. Ta-da! Part 3. Set up control rig for real-time animation. Now that your capturing is imported, let's set it up with the control rig so you can pose and animate the character inside Unreal Engine. First, we want to make sure the show plugin content is enabled. So go to the bottom right gear icon and click the view option. Just enable that show plugin content. Now let's go to this folder called VRM4U content folder and go to utility folder and go to actor folder, then go to the latest folder. Here we will find these two assets, CR underscore VRoid simple UE5 all. This is the preset control rig asset. And also this one, WBP underscore control rig editor. This is the editor utility widget. And now let's drag the control rig asset into our demo folder. And we choose advanced copy here. Once we make a local copy in our content folder, we can open it up by double-clicking it. So let's take a look at the preview theme setting. And let's choose our newly imported skeleton mesh here. Now just click on compile and save. Let's go back to the content browser and let's find this WBP control rig editor asset. Right click on it and choose Run Editor Utility Widget. In the UI that pops up, find this DST control rig BP drop-down menu and select our control rig, the one we just made. And click on this big button, Generate All Rig and Body Rig. And just wait for it to process. It might take a few minutes. Once it's done, just hit compile and save. Now we can drag our character to our scene. A level sequencer will create automatically and we will see our avatar is now control rig ready. Ta-da! Step 4. Animation retarget. Now let's bring our character to life with some free dance animation from Fab. Head over to Fab in the App Launcher and search for dance animation. Don't forget to set the price filter to free. I will grab this one, Elevate Dance Asset. Choose the personal license, hit download, and make sure you grab the FBX version. Head back to Unreal. If you are starting with a blank project, make sure you add third-person content first. We will be using the SK mannequin later. So go to Content Browser, click on Add button, choose Add Features and Content Pack, and choose the third-person content to add to the project. Let's start with creating a new folder for animations. Now we can drag the FBX inside. When the import window pops up, check import animation only. Set the skeleton to SK mannequin and click on import. Now double click to preview the animation. You will see the dance animation playing on the mannequin. Now let's do the retarget. First, find this preset retarget called RTG_avatar sample_F. Open it up, select the dance animation. You can preview the motion directly on your avatar now. Once it looks good, click on Export Selected Animation to save a copy for your character. To make it more fun, I'm dropping in a free Tokyo style environment from Fab. So go to Fab website. Actually, you can pick any free environment. Just purchase it, or you can build your own environment. And I already purchased that, so I'm just going to add it to my project. Once it's in there, you will see this environment folder. The level folders. You can find the level. Open up the level, and we can place our character in there. Now let's create a new level sequence. Give a name. Now we can drag our character in our sequence. And then we're gonna add an animation check to it. I'll make the sequence loop so it will keep playing. Let's also add a camera. Click on this camera icon here to create a new camera. Adjust some setting here. Let's hit play and take a look. Nice. Let's also bring in the audio for this one. That's it for the first part of the video. In the next part, I will show you how to set up real-time motion capture for this character using just an RGB camera. Thanks so much for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and I will see you in the next one.